Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Poloniex is an important step to enhance the security of your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Poloniex account. Visit the Poloniex website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you are using a secure internet connection to protect your login information. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section in the menu. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 3. Choose your 2FA method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Scan the QR code. If you chose an app like Google Authenticator, you will be presented with a QR code. Open your Authentication app and scan the QR code to link it to your Poloniex account. This will generate a unique code for your account. Step 5. Enter the verification code. After scanning the QR code, the app will provide a verification code. Enter this code back on the Poloniex website to complete the setup process. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Poloniex account, significantly enhancing your account security. Always remember to keep your authentication app secure and updated.